Bursa saham di Wall Street anjlok begitu tajam sehingga perdagangan sempat ditangguhkan.
The market stopped for 15 minutes, and what does that do? It gives people a chance to sort of stabilize, get the buyers who are interested involved, sellers interested involved, disengage from the emotionality of panic mode, and try and get a sense of really what's going on.
Pasar ekuitas mendapat pukulan ganda dari kekhawatiran soal virus corona dan juga tergelincirnya harga minyak akibat kegagalan Rusia dan negara-negara pengekspor minyak yang tergabung dalam OPEC untuk mencapai kesepakatan kuota produksi.
The stock markets are directly correlated in terms of how the oil is performing because that's one of the major commodities which is used as a reference.
Lewat Twitter, Presiden Donald Trump kembali menyatakan kekhawatiran soal virus corona berlebihan. Ia membandingkan antara puluhan ribu warga Amerika yang meninggal dunia akibat flu selama setahun dengan puluhan yang tewas akibat virus corona hingga kini. Sentimen serupa diungkapkan pejabat pemerintah Trump.
Listen, the market's obviously been very active today. President Trump has delivered a historically strong economy. The fundamentals in this economy are unbelievable, whether it's employment or wage growth or productivity or international trade deals.
Merespons dampak ekonomi COVID-19, Bank Sentral Amerika atau Federal Reserve 3 Maret lalu menggelar pertemuan mendadak dan memangkas suku bunga acuan sebesar 50 basis poin. Yang dikhawatirkan sebagian investor, The Fed telah begitu seringnya menurunkan suku bunga acuan sehingga nanti tak banyak lagi kebijakan fiskal yang bisa ditempuh untuk mengatasi dampak lebih lanjut COVID-19. The Fed sebelum penurunan pada Maret ini telah menurunkan suku bunga acuan sebanyak 3 kali selama 2019 dan selanjutnya akan mengadakan pertemuan rutin pada 17 hingga 18 Maret. Investor khawatir perlambatan ekonomi AS bisa semakin parah.
Well, in the short term, I think we should be worried, but I also believe that even if we go into bear market territory, I don't think it'll be long-lasting, and I suspect that what's happening in the bond market and of course, in the oil market is a good indication that we could be headed for a recession, global recession. There again, I think it'll be just a very short-term situation.
There is also a risk that you see a sort of tightening of financial conditions in financial markets, and then what that does is it actually affects real companies and starts to affect the real economy. So you can see this spiral into sort of global recession.
Sell-off alias penjualan besar-besaran saham tak hanya terjadi di New York, tapi juga pada bursa-bursa utama di Eropa, Asia, Australia, dan kawasan-kawasan lain. Dari Washington DC, Nova Purwadi, VOA.